Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to export chat from WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open the conversation or chat which you want to export and then tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on more. Tap on export chat and now select the option you want to export the chat. Right now I'm going to select here Gmail, and enter here the recipient email address, and here we can see the chat file is in text format. Now tap on send. So that's how we can export chat from WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.